Hello everyone, welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself Assistant Professor Reena Mishra. Today I am going to take this session on Subject Foundation Course Semester 2. This content is from the Module 2, Understanding Stress and Conflict. The topic for the today's session is Significance of Values in Individual Development. First, let's understand what is values. Values refers to moral and social norms that are essential, desirable for the well-being of an individual, group or a society. Values are moral and social norms. Moral, those values, those norms or rules which is related to the morality or which is socially desirable, and the following or adopting these values in individual's personality helps for the well-being of the individual as well as the group and the society. So values are acceptable and expected from all the people, all the human beings living in the society, irrespective of any background, that is caste, creed, religion or sex. The important human values are, which is expected, which is desirable for the healthy human and social well-being, is truth and honesty, justice and kindness, generosity, tolerance, patriotism, cooperation, respect for seniors and excellence. Truth and honesty is required in every walks of life. It is required at home as well as at the workplace. Justice and kindness. Justice for all the people from any strata of the society, economic or social background. Justice must be equal for all. Kindness towards the human being as well as the animal is also expected for the healthy human being. Generosity refers to the kindness towards the people of the society. Tolerance for the different religion and towards the different people of the society is required. Tolerance helps for maintaining the order and peace. Patriotism, this is must for every human being, every person, every citizen of the society must have the spirit of patriotism within themselves. Cooperation is also very essential element for the human as far as the human values are concerned. Respect for the senior. Seniors must not feel the neglected part of the society, because seniors, they possess quite experience. They have went through in their life, and that experience may be useful for the new generation, for the future generation, and therefore the respect for the seniors is very, very important. Seniors, they should be treated as a responsibility of the family as well as the society. Excellence refers to doing any work to the best of its level. So the excellence helps to growth and development, and therefore this value must be followed. Let's understand what is the importance of values, why the values must be adopted by the individual and it should be practiced in daily walks of life. First of all, the values are very, very important for the personality development. Values helps to develop the personality. The values such as excellence, honesty helps to earn the belief of the people, and hence it helps to create a good image among the people of the society. And the personality development also takes place due to human values in terms of discipline, and therefore values are very, very essential tools for carving the personality of an individual. Values reflect the character. Values are also helpful to develop good character of the human being. Values such as honesty, kindness, excellence, they are helpful for building the good character, and good character helps to earn a good image among the family, among teachers and the neighborhood as well as the society at large. The society always expect the good people and having the good character, and that's how the values help to develop good character among the people. Values improves the social relation. In society, every individual wants to have a good rapport with the person having a good value, and that's how that person who fetches good values helps to create a good social relationship for all of them. Value generates love, peace and happiness. Due to value system, it is helpful to create the peace and order. The values such as kindness, then honesty and generosity helps to develop the sensitivity, love and compassion towards the other people of the society. And values also guides the people for extending the helping hand towards the low strata of the society, towards the needy people of the society, and it helps to create or develop the understanding about the different people, and that's how values are helpful for developing the love, peace and happiness among the people of the society, and it helps to create a happiness society. Values brings happiness. Values are very, very helpful to bring the happiness, because due to value system there is a peace and order in the society, and people work, live and enjoy together. And because as far as the humans are concerned, human is a social animal, and as a social animal they require people to share and celebrate their happiness, and values brings the cause of happiness for all to celebrate with each other. Therefore, values brings happiness. Values foster economic growth. There are certain values such as excellence, honesty, which helps the people to fulfill their responsibilities to the great extent and with a good manner. And if the responsibilities are discharged to the maximum or excellent level, then it helps to achieve the economic progress, because people, they want to discharge their responsibilities to the great extent and by performing best of their level, and that's how this particular value leads to development of the economic system of the society, and overall the economic progress takes place. Values foster the social development. In society, the value system is very, very helpful for teaching the people to interact with the different people in the society. The value system helps to have a good social development, because due to value system, people understand the way of behavior, people understand people develop the helping attitude, people love with the peace, and they also have the compassion towards the needy people of the society, and these all values collectively helps to have a social development. Values facilitate the regional cooperation. Due to value system, the values which is developed in the family, it helps to develop or spread in the neighborhood, at the workplace, and collectively it helps to create the sense of cooperation among all the people, and that's how not only the different families, different neighborhood, society or state or the particular state gets progressed, but also there is a kind of cooperation and value system develops among the region also. So, since there are different regions in India, different states in India, and they are also diversified in different terms, but value system helps to have a regional cooperation among all the different states of the nation. Values improves the standard of living. Value system helps to have honest approach towards the work, towards the different performances, and these values helps to discharge the responsibility with great honesty, and honesty helps to fetch the progress, and this progress helps to have the economic development, economic prosperity, and economic prosperity helps to have a better standard of living. And if we see from the other perspective, due to certain value systems such as excellence, cooperation and honesty, people want to give best, people want to contribute best to the society, and that helps them to have a better standard of living. Values develop the positive attitude. If the values are adopted by the people, their approach towards the society is quite understandable. Values helps to develop the understanding among the people of the society, and this helps to have the positive attitude, and positive attitude is very important to develop the healthy living being, and that's how the values play a very important role to make the life of the human being easy and understanding. The next concept is ethics. Ethics is a branch of social science that deals with moral principles and values. It differentiates which is good and what is bad should be avoided. Ethics provide moral principles and rules of good conduct to be followed by individuals and a society. These ethics are evolved from our Puranas, various Vedas, and ethics are actually guiding the people how to develop the code of conduct for the society. It is that branch of social science that deals with moral principles, that is those rules which are to be adopted essentially by every individual to behave in a society, and it also helps to develop good values. There are many people in the society, they belong to different background, they are different from each other in various aspects, but moral values and principles helps the individuals to help in togetherness. Therefore, each and every person of a society must be aware of the ethics which is to be followed, which is to be adopted by them to have a peaceful life. It differentiates, ethics helps to make difference between the good and bad. Good which is to be adopted, bad which is to be avoided by them. Ethics provide moral principles and rule for good conduct which is to be followed in the society. Significance of ethics in individual development are dignified life. Ethics helps to live with dignity. It is very important to have respect, to have a good image, good reputation in a society for an individual, and ethics helps to develop good image in the society. It helps the person to guide or to address the guidelines how he should live his life, and therefore that person owes the respect from the people of the society, and that's how it helps to live a dignified life. Peace of mind. It is said that the person doing wrong has to remember lot many things, and that person lives in lot of fear and instability of unstable mind. But if the person is honest, then he do not have to bother about any problem. He has to, or he lives with the peace of mind. So ethics leads to knowledge of values and principles, moral principles, and these moral principles and values helps the person to live with the dignified life, as well as it helps to have a peace of mind. The ethics also helps the person to win rewards in the society. Rewards in the society, because every person in the society expects that the person should be of a ethical values. Even the bad people also like the good people, the ethical people. Therefore, the ethics helps to have the reward, restricts the corruption. Now, as we can see in society, lot of corruptive practices are adopted, which is unethical, which is immoral, and therefore to regulate or control these corruptive practices, the ethics or ethical values are very, very helpful. Ethical values helps the person to restrain from the corruptive practices. It helps them to understand that corruptive practices are not good for the development of the well-being, and therefore it must be regulated and controlled. It reduces the social exploitation. Moral and social values helps the person to understand that each and every person deserves the right, and in society each and every person is equal as far as the constitution is concerned, and this helps the person to treat the individual of the society in equal manner, irrespective of his economic background or social background. Therefore, the ethics helps to reduce the social exploitation. Social upliftment. Overall, if we see, the ethics helps to have the social upliftment. Due to ethics are like, it is every day the tonic is given in the society, and in the form of ethics, these tonics helps to have a healthy and peaceful society, because peace and order is very, very crucial for the development and the progress of the society, and so the ethics are helpful for them. Thank you.